talk about my task manager program. So this task manager is is built using the concept of link. As you can tell, there are pointers to the next element in this class task node and pointers to the head element in this class task list. Basically, the concept of pointers is to connect arbitrary arbitrary like chunks of memory together. That's why we use pointers because the, the, the content may or may not be next to each other physically in the computer memory. That's why we use pointers. We want to know the address. So it's important we know the address. That it is called reference lah, references to elements, and these are the methods that we use in the class. And then for the main function, yeah, we'll first ask the name to ask you to describe the task to add, and on a scale of 1 to 5, enter the task priority. And this one is um, there's a mechanism for, for validating the input, like in case the user keeps entering the invalid input, which means the inputs outside the range. For example, if task priority is less than 1 or task priority is less than 5, right, it's invalid because I explicitly asked on a scale of 1 to 5, enter task priority. So it will keep asking the user until it enters the right, prompting the user to enter the right input until they actually enter the right input. And this actually applies to other as well, like choice. When you want to add another task and you want to display the task only one and two, right? There are only two choices. You can't enter other numbers or other input or other characters. This these are validating mechanisms, and, and this one is if if you haven't added a task, it will show there are no tasks in the list yet. Otherwise, enter the sequence of tasks you want to access. Right. So we want to exit program now. So program exit will okay. So that's about it. So I'll try to run the program and demonstrate it to you. Suppose if the program asks us what task we want to add. So for example, enter database project on a scale from 1 to 5. So I'll just enter 3. It's just for the sake of this video. I'll try entering 7. I'll try entering 6. Yeah, it will keep asking me to enter valid value. So, so I'll enter like 3. Okay, ask me, do you want to add another task? Okay, yes. Now I'll add like, like software SRS. Okay, this is 3. Okay, I'll add another task. The now I enter netcom task 4. This one 2. Um, I'll just end it here. And now it asks me to either display a task based on index or print the full task. Now if I print the full task, I believe the program is going to display the important one first. So it will display the tasks in descending order, priority wise. But just in case the task, sometimes the tasks, there will be tasks with the same priority, but there will be tasks with same priority. So how do we list them all out? We will list I decided to list them all out in ascending alphabetical order. Like this one is database, right? Database starts with D, so this one will be displayed first before software, and then other tasks with lower priority will be displayed later because the important one we have to complete one first, right? If you think like this, that's my logic. That's the logic of the program. And now ask you want to exit the program now. So now I'll display a task based on index. Okay, enter the sequence number of tasks you want to access starting from 0. So I'll enter 0. And you display database project. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct. I'm going to exit program now. And then 1. Software SRS. It is indeed software SRS in second position. And then now display another one. Let's display the last one, make com task 4 here. And here. Yeah, make com task 4. You want to exit the program? Yes. The program exited without errors. Thank you for using it. Now I will just run for another round and see what happens if no task added to the task manager. So I display the task, the full task list. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't matter, right? Just in case enter one is invalid, right? Because there's only one element. Enter 0. So now I exit the program. So basically, this program you have to enter at least one task for it to go to the other state. That's what I did just now. And thank you guys for watching. That's basically it about this program. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and at least learn something from this video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.